Authority officials vowing to do a better job. In the future, they say they will try to prevent problems at 2 pumping stations that cause backups and flood drains, sanitary and street sewers.
The June 25th and 26th rain event caused tens of thousands of homes to flood, causing hundreds of millions of dollars in damage.
A lawsuit has been filed, and now new information is coming out about what happened and why.
7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner has been on this from the beginning, and he joins us with more.
Ask just about anyone on the east side if they had flood damage. Where did it come from? Chances are it came because of what happened here.
This is the 4th time for me, and it's always been the sewage backup.
This is what her basement looked like a couple of weeks ago. She lives in the Jefferson-Chalmers area. So does her neighbor, who cleaned out her basement and many of her clothes that were stored. But get this, she had flood and sewer backup insurance, only to find out she's still not fully covered. She's tallied her losses after insurance to around $30,000.
After it was declared a flood disaster, then it went into a flood policy. And flood policies do not cover any contents in the basement.
At a news conference this afternoon, the Great Lakes Water Authority now telling us they have 16 pumps and 2 stations. Half of them failed during what they called a 1,000-year storm 3 weeks ago.
At the rain event that we had, we were able to operate 5 at Connor facility and 3 at the Freud Pump Station.
The authority provided us this coverage map that they take in all of the storm, sanitary sewer water in Detroit, and the gross points up to 8 Mile Road. They say they had an external power outage affecting some pumps at one station and an internal power outage affecting other pumps in the second station.
First, absolutely. Right? We would want to get to our firm capacity, and we always want to operate at our firm capacity.
The authority chief operating officer confirmed when they can't pump storm and sanitary sewage, there's not much they can do or advise you to do. The water will be backing up.
The more storm you get, the more stressed out the system is going to get, and that is what causes the flow to return back into the basement. My advice is contact a local plumber, work with them to see if they have options for you.
The COO said they fixed the internal power outage problem. They will have staffing ready this weekend, including 2 electrical contractors. On Detroit's east side, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you much, Jim.